I've been teaching at my school 30 years, I still get $300
Yeah.
for 400 kids.
Yeah.
30 years I've gotten the same amount. So try for, all of a sudden one year I get this check for like $500. I go, what is this try for schools? And then I built it up, and then all of a sudden I went to get my budget for my school, and my principal had decided, oh, you don't need our budget because you get $1,000 from Try for Schools. So she took my budget away. So then I had to tell Try for Schools, you need to give me a credit card. I don't want that money to go in the school account because they're cutting my budget.
Yeah.
So now I don't let them know. They want to always come and present a big check, and I said, sorry, can't have you do it. I'll thank you, we'll write you letters, but you can't come to the school and present it because, so you gotta be careful. And my principal, she always said, well, if you need anything, just let me know. But if it's there to spend, it's a little different than having to go and ask for it. But Try for Schools is
And that's right here in
a great
Verona.
program.
Like that's right here in Verona, real local.
And
like
they run one in Wanakee in the spring.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fall, spring. That's spring.
Deb, can you talk about box tops for schools too? Cause
Oh yeah.
That's,
Sorry.
you guys are gonna shoot me here, but I probably get $2,000.
Oh my god.
yeah,
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's huge. That's huge.
Just a box tops.
Wow.
We get at least that much, but we split our budget in Fayette, so we get a third of it.
Well, one of my principals said, I brought it up, said you wanna do it, you can have it all, no one's ever questioned it, because there's a little work to it, but, yeah, and they took my budget away also because of that, but, you know. And I.
Going out, they just have like, then you push the ball down, and that's not really engaging for the kids. Like, can we have it where they can adjust it? Can we do this? And we start talking. So, go to them with their. I sat down with the imaging class that I had ideas on for an hour, an imaging seminar class, and they're just like, I sat down, I had all this list of ideas for everything I wanted done, and they're just like, okay, we'll take it. We'll tackle this, and this.
Cornhole sets is another big one. We had like 6 or beanbag sets, beanbag toss, cornhole.
They can do
yeah,
that. No
like
problem.
have your high school kids make them. And then they're like, oh hey mom, dad, look what I made at school or whatever, right? Because they watch them play at tailgate or whatever.
Yeah.
But then you got like 6 sets of them for your kids to play with.
If you love to play, because the most easiest grants you can apply for.
That's
I get $400 every year.
Thank you. I forgot about grants. And that's there's so many of them are stupid easy. They're trying to give the money away and they can't give it away because not enough people apply. So if you're in a situation where you have like, no budget money or like really low budget money, and I mean, literally it's a 2-page deal, just fill it out or whatever, and you say what you're gonna use the funds for and how your school promotes physical activity with your kids, then they cut you a check and they send it to you in the mail. And because they can't give the money away to enough
They
people.
don't even ask for what you spent, I mean,
Yeah.
you can tell them what you spent it on, but they don't like check that.
Right.